How to change an Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Start by creating a new Instagram story, either by taking a photo or recording a video directly, or by selecting one from your gallery. Initially, share the story with your close friends list, which is marked by a green circle around your profile picture. If you want to change the audience of the story from close friends to public, note that Instagram does not allow you to directly switch a story from close friends to public after it's posted. One way to do this is by adding all of your remaining followers to your close friends list. At the top of the screen, you will see a green star icon. Tap on it, then select all your remaining friends. Finally, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to share the story with all your followers using the close friends list. Another option is to delete the current story, then repost the same content, but this time set the privacy to public so it's visible to everyone. Make sure the story is successfully posted with the new public setting so that all followers and other Instagram users can see it. And that's it.